Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you some amazing and beautiful pattern designs of blanket made with crochet for the baby blanket. So you can customize it for your client or you can customize it for yourself, for your own baby. Look at this one. Oh my god, he's so cute. And this gray with brown color and with purple color, so you can customize it in any color with on any design, and you can deliver to your customers for your own self, and you can give to someone else. So I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, share with your friend, and comment your favorite crochet blanket design for your baby. So this will give me an idea to make and execute it in my upcoming videos. So bye bye, have a good day, take care of yourself, and do subscribe the channel.